Hello everyone, how to dots back with another new video, and in this video I will guide you how to use Arvin AI logo maker. So first of all you need to install it in your device, then tap on the open button. So in install you have to get started, and then here you can see how it looks like. Like this is not totally free, you can still use, you will get some result for free, but if you want to get all accesses then you need to subscribe. So first of all, like if you want to try this one, for example, like if you give prompt here, suppose how it looks like, just simply tap on the generator. It takes few time. So after that you can see the result flame. It's really nice. And if it preview, so you can also preview here. So you can also preview how it looks like. So simply tap on the save. Once you save, then you can see download, and if you want to get remove background other things, then you have to remove, so you can download it. So it's really nice, you can still use free, some free. And if you want to more inspire, like you can see add photos, if you have photos, to advanced option like negative prompt. And if you like a style, so here you can see, just okay, I'm just giving some prompt. Here you can see they give you the enter your brand name, industry, and the elements. So I'm not good at prompt, you can give the good prompt, then you can select this style. And here you can see there are a lot of styles here if you want to see all the style here. But there are some free, some premium, and explore ideas. So here you can see, if you have any ideas like logo based or text based and symbol based, animal based, then you have to select it. For example, mascot logo, and I'm just going to type fish in water. I'm not good at, so you have to choose after that. Okay, I'm just going to choose eating and fishing, something like this. I'm not good at say it to you. So still try this prompt, you can see it's prompt. And if you want to try, then it's look like this, then you can generate. Okay, if you like this, then you can here you can give the prompt here. Try this prompt, and also template here. All of them are premium, there are some are free. Modern nature logos, you can generate logos. Explore what people other people explore, and history. So you can use it, it's really easy. And all the premium things, you don't need Photoshop, Illustrator, or other editing app or creating app to create manually. You just need to give the good prompt and you'll get the good result.